We are Brent and Kelly Glenn. Well, our house, we're very proud of it, and we moved into it, oh gosh, October of the year 2000, and there were some things about it that we wanted to upgrade.
The process of designing the kitchen actually began 23 years ago. At that time, we knew that our kitchen, it would function, but it did not function efficiently. You know, you had to open the dishwasher door to open a drawer next to the sink. So it was very claustrophobic. I think only one person really could work in there at a time. A few years ago, we started with Pinnacle Homes, and they actually had done our bookshelves, and they had also done some work in the dining room with the ceiling. When the time came when we were financially ready to handle the kitchen, I had no doubt who I wanted to do the work. The communication process, it started with, with Christian doing an initial walkthrough to find out what our needs were. And then he involved the designer, and I met with the designer several times. Once the project actually began, the communication was very, very good. They are hardworking. They clean up after their job site each day, and very friendly. And we think a lot of all of the workers. The trim work that is around the windows, it's unique to the house, and so one of Christian's carpenters actually cut the woodwork himself.
Oh, I was amazed. It's kind of in line with everything else. Everybody that we dealt with from them is not only incredibly a good person and nice, they're also amazingly adept at what they do. The pride they take in their work is pretty amazing. The finished product is absolutely amazing.
That means a lot to us that we're able to keep the integrity of the house without actually add square footage to the back, that now everything fits. Brent has space, I have my space in the kitchen.
And that they were able to do all of that in the same amount of overall space, just a much better use of the space that there is.
Pinnacle Homes is a fantastic company to work with. They are honest, they are hardworking, and they felt like they're part of our family, and very friendly, and we thank a lot of all of the workers.
And from conception to finish, every aspect of it is handled with incredible professionalism. We're very, very happy with Pinnacle Homes and would recommend them to anybody. Pinnacle Homes is two thumbs up.